What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. We are back with another video, and today we have an early review over the Air Jordan 5 Alternate Grapes. Check them out straight from StockX, and shouts out to my boy KickzOnIce for letting me hold these things and get a dope in-depth review for you guys before the actual release, man. So check it out right here. You have the Alternate Grape Air Jordan 5s. These come out July the 7th for a retail price of 190 bucks, man. So like I said, we're gonna get a very in-depth review over this whole sneaker. Before we do right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel. Ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. And any live stream, any early review, anything that drops on the channel, that post notification will let you guys know what drops on the channel, man. And make sure you smash that like button to go for every video is 300 likes. So if you're watching this, man, please those likes go a long way, man. I promise you guys. And if you do not mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. So with all that being said, without the intro out the way, let's get right into this early review over the Air Jordan 5 Alternate Grapes, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, first things first, this is the box that it comes in. You got the red Jumpman on top, and you have the official tag right here, Air Jordan 5 Retro. Grape Ice, New Emerald, and Black is the official colorway, and these retail for 190 bucks. Inside the box, of course, you get your little stamp over here, and you get your little sticker, and you get black tissue paper as well. And of course, if you get stuff from StockX and stuff like that, you get the StockX sticker and you get the StockX verification tag on the sneaker, man. So let's get right into these things. So bam, there you have them, the Air Jordan 5 Alternate Grapes. I know a lot of people are very interested in copping this sneaker. I really love how vibrant they are, man, the Alternate Grape vibe. As you can see, we have the original grape vibes right here, man. A very dope variation in the grape line, the grape colorway with the Air Jordan 5s. I like this one the most. Then I'll probably rank the all white grapes with the purple tongue second. And then of course, we got those top 3 5s as well. Check them out with the grape tongue on these joints, man. Very fire. One of my favorite pickups of 2020 so far. If you have not checked out the review and on feed over these, man, make sure you go check that out right now, bro. So here you have it. You got the grape tongue right here. Then you have the original all black grapes right here. I think it's released in 2013 or 2014, I believe. You see the yellowing starting to happen on these joints. I actually picked these up when I was overseas in Luxembourg. I think I got these for just a little bit over retail with them being worn and stuff like that. But it was still something I had to add into the collection, man. But here you have it. Nonetheless, the Alternate Grape things right here, very vibrant. Like I said, you have an all over, I know it kind of looks blue on the camera, but it's actually like a purplish grapish, you know what I'm saying, vibe around the whole upper of the shoe. The suede isn't anything too crazy. You do get a couple of strokes and stuff like that, but it's not as furry as, I guess you could say, like your Ferrari 14s or something like that. But you can definitely see the strokes all around the sneaker. It's a nice quality suede. You know, usually you get like that soft brush strokes, but right here, man, it's kind of thick. So like I said, you won't get that soft touch like you get on the Ferrari 14s, man. But check it out all over. Got a black Jumpman on the back right there, no Nike Air. And if these look a little big in my hand, these are a size 11.5, man, not my size. When I get my size 9 in hand, I will be doing the on feet for you guys on the actual release date, man. Check out the lace lock right here. You got that turquoise hit on the lace lock and all clear right there. Check it out. Got the Jumpman logo on that side. And then check out the tongue right here. You got that turquoise hit again on the tongue. Check it out, check it out. And this tongue, I don't know if it's 3M or not. Let me check real quick. I just checked the tongue right now to see if it had 3M, and it does have 3M busting all throughout these joints. I will put a picture up here somewhere so you guys can check out the 3M effects on the tongue, man. So very dope. I really like it. Check it out, check it out. A more up close look at these joints. And then on the back of the tongue, of course, you got your Air Jordan right here. Inside of this shoe, you got a regular cardboard shoe tree. Check it out, check it out. You get a turquoise insole and a black Jumpman at the bottom. I will show you guys that in the B-roll, man. These didn't come with any extra laces right here. Check it out. But tip from Jada Sneaker Guy, man, he said take the laces from your turbo green ones and put it inside of these, and it matches perfectly with the turquoise on the tongue and on the lace lock and the small hits on the midsole of these Air Jordan 5 Alternate Grapes, man. So shout out to Jay for that super beneficial tip with the lace and swap on these Air Jordan 5 Alternate Grapes. I will test that out when I pick my pair up on release day. So you guys gotta have that notification bell on so you get notified to check out that thing on feet. I know it's gonna be crazy. Just having this size 11.5 in hand, I cannot wait to get my size and throw it straight to the collection and straight to the feet. And something I also noticed on this lace lock, it's like a purple hit, purple Jumpman right here. See if that focus real quick. He has a purple Jumpman on that lace lock as well. Check out the outsole right here, man. You got a purple Jumpman, and of course you got your Jordan in the middle. And you have an all translucent outsole, man. If you cop on StockX, you guys already know you get that verified and authentic tag right here. Check it out, check it out. And like I was telling you guys, you have that same turquoise here you have on the tongue and the lace lock on the midsole on the shark teeth, man. Check it out right here with like a black speckle effect on this side and as well as the inner of the shoe right here. Check it out, check it out. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the in-depth review over these Air Jordan 5 Alternate Grapes. Like I said, you guys stay tuned by hitting that notification bell when I pick these up on the release date. I will be doing a full on feet for you guys, showing you guys how to dress with these joints as well, man. This will be the first sneaker I do the whole how to style video with, so you guys gotta tune into that one. You will definitely enjoy it, man. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video that drops or a live stream. We'll be going live tomorrow for the Air Jordan 14 Gem Red live cop, so you make sure you pull up and make sure that notification bell is on right now. Smash that like button on this video. Share this on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, wherever you can, to let people know how these alternate grape things is looking in hand, bro. And also, if you do not mind, please head over to IG. Give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.